Mitt namn är Per Svartsson.
My name is Per Svartsson and I'm the CEO and founder of Apotea. Apotea is a purely online pharmacy and has been around for about 12 years now.
När vi körde igång.
When we started just over 12 years ago, it was a completely manual warehouse. We picked with our trolleys, paper lists, etc. But in 2019, we began to automate and we started our cooperation with SSI SCHAEFER and bought our first A-frame. It was a revolution for us because it raced out goods, and from that point we have expanded this automation until today, where 90 to 95% of all orders are automated. What makes Apotea a good customer for us and a very fun customer to work with is that Part, the founder of the company, is very deeply involved in the logistics and warehouse. They know their business best and we know automation well, and together we get a really good concept. We have a long cooperation with SSI SCHAEFER where we have been very satisfied with all parts.